Hey everyone, welcome to Shop Talk. We're looking at a Husqvarna 576 XP X-Torque. This is the one with the fully adjustable carburetor on it. It does have a West Coast build on it very recently. Very high performance chainsaw, and it will be disabled at the end of the video. Features a dual port muffler, large falling spikes, wrap handlebar, side tensioners right on the side. Loosen the two bar nuts up right on the side of your tensioner. Vibration isolation motor mounts, 28-inch bar, and that is a chisel bit semi-skip sequence with a Sylvie razor sharp sharpen. If you've never cut with one of these with a Sylvie sharpen job on it, you're really missing out. It is razor sharp, and the rakers are knocked down just a bit. Unbelievable the cut you'll get with this. If you'd like to get your chain sharpened razor sharp, you can contact the chainsaw guy. Do a lot of the sharpens, razor sharp sharpens. Controls on the back, kill switch, choke, easy access top cover. Air cleaner, high performance. If you got any interest in these high performance test saws, give the chainsaw guy a call.